Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to connect a mobile hotspot to your PC. Now first you need to go ahead and turn on your mobile hotspot. So this is on the iOS and this is on the Android. For Android you just turn on your personal hotspot. On iOS same thing, you just toggle this one on, allowing others to join. And then what you need to do guys is you need to go ahead and turn on your Wi-Fi. Okay? But before you do that, what you do is you just come here, click on this icon, and then you'll be on this page where you can turn on your Wi-Fi. Ensure your Wi-Fi is actually turned on. So just go ahead and click on this, and then you will see the name of the hotspot. So I want you to go ahead and click on this to connect, and just enter the password. Enter the password, and then you can go ahead and click on next, and you'll be connected to that mobile hotspot. It's really that easy and simple. Smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.